Hello my dear students, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. I'm sure that you all have seen the video of lesson number 6. Now today I'm going to teach you all lesson number 8. Soon I will upload the video of lesson number 7 for you all. This video is of lesson number 8. The chapter name is Adjectives. Let me tell you an interesting story. Once upon a time, there was a huge jungle. In that jungle, there were many animals. Now, one day, the animals were trying to decide who would be the king of the jungle. And they were all fighting among themselves that who would be the king of the jungle. And at that time, the wise fox came up and he said that all of you must come ahead one by one and tell your qualities. And at the end, depending upon the qualities of each and every animal, we'll decide as who would be the king of the jungle. So first of all, elephant came up. He said, I am a large animal. I am strong. I have a long trunk. I want to be the king. Then came up a bear. He said, I am also a big animal. I am healthy. I should be the king. After that, it was the turn of the furious lion. He said, I am stronger than them. I have powerful paws. Besides, I am clever and fast. I deserve to be the king of this big jungle. And on the basis of this, we saw that lion is the most powerful among all the animals, and hence he was made the king of the jungle. Now, let us look at the sentences that we have used in the story. The wise fox said. Now, in this, fox is a naming word. It is the name of this animal. So, I can say that fox is a noun. And what is wise? Is wise a noun? No, wise is not a naming word. So it is not a noun. But wise is telling us about the fox. Wise is telling us the quality of the fox. That the fox is wise. So we can say that the word wise is describing the word fox. And we all know that fox is a noun. And wise is a word which is describing the noun. Now, in English language, we have named these kinds of words which describes noun as adjectives. So, adjective is a word that is used to state the virtue, that is goodness, wise, that is badness, quality, quantity, and condition of a noun or a pronoun. So, what are adjectives? Adjectives tells us about the virtue, vice, quality, quantity, and condition of a noun or a pronoun. So, adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun or a pronoun, or they add meaning to a sentence. So, the wise fox said. In this sentence, wise is adding meaning to the fox. It is telling us about the quality of the fox. Now, let us look at the statement made by the elephant. I am a large animal. So, animal is a noun and large is describing the size of the animal. So, large is an adjective. Then, I am strong. Here, I is a pronoun referring to the elephant, and describing the strength of this pronoun is the word strong. So, it is describing the quality of this pronoun I. So, strong is an adjective over here. I have a long trunk. So, in this sentence, trunk is a noun. And describing once again the quality of the trunk is the word long. So, long is an adjective. So, we have three different adjectives here. Large, strong, long. So these all adjectives are describing either the elephant or his trunk or some other noun or pronoun. Now, look at the statement made by the bear. I am also a big animal. He said that I am also a big animal. So, animal is a noun and describing the size of the animal is the word big. So, big is an adjective here. I am healthy. So, in this sentence, I is a pronoun and describing the health condition of this pronoun I is the word healthy. So, healthy is a describing word and hence it is an adjective. So, big and healthy are adjective describing the bear. Then what did the lion say? The lion said, I am stronger than them. So, I is a pronoun and describing the strength or quality of the lion is the word stronger. So, stronger is an adjective. I have powerful paws. So, paws is a noun and describing the strength is the word powerful. So, powerful is an adjective over here. Besides, I am clever and fast. In this sentence, the word clever and fast describes the lion. So, these words are adjectives. I deserve to be the king of this big jungle. So, in this case, jungle is the noun and describing the size of the jungle is the word big. So, big is an adjective. So, words like stronger, powerful, clever, fast, big, these are all adjectives. So, students, I hope this short story has helped you to understand about adjective. Now, we'll see the different types of adjectives. First one is adjectives of quality. Second, adjectives of number. Third, ordinal adjectives. We are going to discuss all these three adjectives one by one. So, first one is adjectives of quality. Adjectives that describe the shape, size, color, length, breadth, health and all other characteristics of a noun or pronouns are called the adjectives of quality. So, we can say that the adjectives that are used to describe the nature of a subject or a noun or showing the kind or quality of nouns or pronouns are called adjectives of quality. They basically answers the question of what kind of. It will be more clear with the help of the given example. Put away the old newspapers. So, what is the adjective in the sentence? First, we'll have a look at the noun. So, newspaper is a noun. And what is describing the newspapers? What is the word describing the noun newspapers? The word describing the noun newspaper is old. How are the newspapers? Old. So, old is an adjective. And old is telling us about the condition of the newspaper. So, what kind of an adjective it is? It is an adjective of quality. Because adjectives of quality tells us about the color, shape, size or condition of a noun or pronoun. Now we'll see the second one, adjective of number. Adjective of number answers the question how many. These adjectives give information about the numbers or order of persons or things. In other words, we can say that some adjectives tells us about the number of a noun. They tell us how many. We call these adjectives the adjectives of number. For example, I met her several times. So, several is an adjective of number because it answers the question how many. Let's see the second one. We have two hands. So, in the same manner, 2 is also an adjective of number because it answers the question how many. Let's see one more example. Three boys are playing in the field. Which is the adjective of number over here? Well, boys is a noun and telling us about the number of boys is the word 3. So how many boys are there? 3 boys. So 3 is the adjective of number. Now the third one is ordinal adjectives. An ordinal adjectives indicates the position of a noun in a series. It says about the placement of people or thing. We can also say that ordinal numbers tells us the position of a noun in a sequence. An ordinal number is used as an adjective. Like first, second, third and so on are also ordinal adjectives. And here also 2 examples are given, like the first date, the fourth date. So first and fourth are ordinal adjectives. Now, positions of adjective. So we can put an adjective before a noun. For example, he is a clever boy. So in this sentence, boy is a noun and clever is an adjective. We can also put an adjective after the verb be. Am, is, are, was, were. For example, the woman is old. So here the adjective describes the noun woman. So in this sentence, what is the adjective? Old is an adjective. Now let's see one exercise related to this chapter. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. Write their types. Nikita has a black dog. So here dog is a noun and the color of the dog is black. So black is describing the noun. So black is an adjective. And what kind of adjective it is? It is an adjective of quality. Let's see the second one. There are 10 students in the classroom. So in this sentence, 10 is an adjective of number because it is answering the question how many. Let's see the third one. I stood first in class. So here first is an adjective and what kind of adjective it is? It is an ordinal adjective because it is telling us the position. Let's see the fourth one. Mumbai is a beautiful city. In this sentence, beautiful is an adjective. And what kind of adjective it is? It is an adjective of quality because it is describing the city Mumbai. Let's see the last one. Jia came second and was awarded the medal. So second is an ordinal adjective as it is telling us the position of the noun. Here answers are given. First, black. Black, what kind of adjective it is? It is an adjective of quality. 10, adjective of number. First, ordinal adjective. Fourth one is beautiful. And what kind of adjective it is? Adjective of quality. Fifth one, second. And it is an ordinal adjectives. So students, I hope you all have understood this chapter nicely. Revise it from your book. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.